What is happening, everyone? My name is Phil with Think Make Do, and today I want to give you a quick walkthrough of where we're at on our apartment build in Inglewood, California. Now, it's been a couple weeks and we've done most of our framing work and are just about ready to get started on electrical, plumbing, and gas. So let's turn this camera around and show you what we got. All right, so starting from the entrance, this is the living room. You can see we've boarded up all the windows, and that's because we've demoed out the original windows, took measurements, and we're in the process of ordering all of our new double pane vinyl windows we'll be installing in this unit. So large bay window, living room window, etc. If you look at this wall here, this is a new extended wall for both of the new bedrooms. So these are technically our closet spaces that we pushed out for, and you can see we have a small little walkway into the smaller bedroom here on this side. Now we're using it as a storeroom right now for a bunch of our tools and random stuff, but you can see we have the closet set up here, and all of our gang boxes for the electrical outlets have been placed in preparation to run electrical cable. Now I haven't got all the light switches in yet, or the light box or the gang boxes for the light switches in, but those will come in another day. Coming in here, if we look, we will stop by the kitchen, and there was a lot of work done here. As you can see, we have all new subfloors in, and that's not the only thing. So this 3/4 panel plywood is the first layer, but we also replaced the layer underneath it, the diagonal 1x6 that was running across as the original subfloor. The reason we had to go 3/4 on top is because the natural or the older hardwood floor was 3/4, and to match the level across the entire apartment, we went and put in panel or plywood everywhere else. It also doesn't hurt that this makes this place much more stable, and the feel on the ground is much sturdier than it used to be. Now, you can also see we had to replace most of this wall, actually. A lot of rot damage. The original kitchen was here. There was a water leak for years. It ran down the side of this building on the wall and rotted everything out. So replace everything here. And we replaced a lot of the termite damage from the beams or the top plates, well, at the top. And anywhere where we had to do both of the double top plate, we used Simpson strong ties to tie them together to make sure they were nice and strong. So we also extended out this wall a little bit to become even with our new closet wall, so there's some symmetry to the apartment, and broke out this wall and replaced it with a header to open up this section of the kitchen. This area right here is going to be the dining room, if you will, with a nice little chandelier light at the top. So we wanted to make sure it has a nice open view into the living room. Now we think it does. So going now here, this is going to be our bathroom slash washer dryer combo area. And the reason we did this is to extend the size of the bathroom and give us more usability for multiple tenants. So this doorway will lead into our new washer dryer area, and these windows are going to be boarded up. The tub is going to sit along this wall that we've just built and come out 60 inches to somewhere right around here. All right. Now that means that from this side of the door, you're able to access the bathtub, and then from a sliding barn door here on this side of the bathroom, you'll be able to close off, and someone else will be able to use the toilet, as well as the new double vanity sinks that will be going on this side. As you'll notice, we actually replaced this entire wall right here with new 2x6 framing so that all of our plumbing lines had adequate spacing to reach down through into the bottom floor where all the plumbing lines drain into. So that leaves us now with the last room, and that is what I guess you'd call the main bedroom, master bedroom. So we come into this area, and first thing you'll notice is there's no window, right? We boarded up this window in order to create this separation in the wall, because this used to be one giant room, kind of a waste of livable space. So this section here where the windows are, they are going to get plastered over, and then we're going to create a new window with the proper size egress to code for this bedroom. Now, if you look, a lot of work was done in this section particularly. So the original wall was right here where you see this new 2x10 header, or 2x8 header, excuse me. This is carrying the weight of the roof. And so we needed to make sure that we put in a header that was strong enough to hold the weight of the roof down through to the first floor foundation. So that allowed us to push this out and give this bedroom a much longer dimension. So this is about 13 by 8, which is a pretty good sized room. It's really nice. And we were able to put a closet here on this side in an efficient space where our fuse panel box goes, or our sub panel. So you have a 4-foot or 5-foot closet right here. Plenty of space for, say, like a desk or a little couch, lounge chair, your bed. Everything will be there. So we think we've turned this 1-bedroom awkward space into a pretty nice 2-bedroom that is livable. So if you like what you see, please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Turn those alert notifications on and ask questions and let us know what you think, or maybe if you have your own projects, share with us what you're doing and maybe we can help you out. All right, have a good one.